Welcome to our channel where we simplify your financial journey, starting with activating your Navy Federal Debit Card. Activating your Navy Federal Debit Card is an important first step to accessing your funds and enjoying the full benefits of membership. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide on how to activate your card quickly and securely. Step 1. Locate your Navy Federal Debit Card as soon as you receive it in the mail. Before activation, ensure you have your card number handy and any related documents or account information. Step 2. Choose your preferred activation method. Navy Federal offers several options including online activation through their website, activation via phone, or using their mobile app. Step 3. For online activation, visit the Navy Federal website and log into your account with your credentials. Navigate to the debit card activation section, where you will be prompted to enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Confirm your identity as requested for added security. Step 4. If you prefer phone activation, call the number provided on the sticker attached to your card or on the documentation received. Follow the automated prompts or speak to a representative who will guide you through the verification and activation process. Step 5. For mobile app users, open the Navy Federal mobile app and sign in. Locate the debit card activation feature under Services or Card Management. Enter your card details and complete any verification steps required. Step 6. Once your card is activated, set up your personal identification number PIN if you haven't done so already. This usually can be done through the ATM or by calling customer service. Step 7. Check your account online or through the app to verify that your card activation is complete and ready for use. If you experience any issues during activation, contact Navy Federal Customer Support immediately for assistance. By taking these steps, you ensure your Navy Federal Debit Card is active and ready for everyday transactions, online shopping, and ATM withdrawals. Remember, your card activation secures your access to financial freedom and convenience. Thank you for joining us on this step-by-step guide to help you activate your Navy Federal Debit Card. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video for more helpful financial tips and tutorials.